24th April 1973. A young Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar was born into a middle-class Maharashtrian family. His father, Ramesh Tendulkar, a noted Marathi novelist, and his mother, Rajni Tendulkar, provided a nurturing environment in which his early passion for cricket could flourish. Sachin's early days were spent in the bustling streets of Mumbai, where he would practice cricket with a single-minded focus that would soon captivate the cricketing world. At just 11 years old, Sachin joined the local cricket club, Shardashram Vidya Mandir, where he began training under the watchful eye of coach Ramakant Achrekar. His talent was undeniable, and it wasn't long before he caught the attention of cricketing scouts. By the age of 15, Sachin made his debut for Mumbai in the prestigious Ranji Trophy. The year was 1988, and a star was born. His debut match was nothing short of spectacular. He scored a half-century, and his performance was just a glimpse of the greatness to come. In the vibrant city of Mumbai, where dreams come alive, a young boy named Sachin Tendulkar was destined to transform the world of cricket. From his early years, Sachin's passion for the game was evident as he practiced tirelessly on the bustling streets of his neighborhood. His remarkable talent quickly attracted attention, and at just 16, he made his debut for the Indian national team. Sachin's career was marked by groundbreaking achievements and records, but it was his unwavering dedication and sportsmanship that truly defined him. Sachin's journey from Mumbai's streets to international fame is a powerful story of dreams and perseverance, inspiring millions and showcasing the incredible impact of following one's passion. On 15 November 1989, Sachin Tendulkar made his Test debut for India against Pakistan. At just 16 years old, he was the youngest player ever to represent India. Despite the pressure and the daunting opposition, Sachin's talent shone brightly, signaling the start of an illustrious career. Over the years, Sachin's cricketing journey was marked by a series of monumental milestones that solidified his status as one of the greatest players in the history of the sport. From his early debut to his enduring presence on the field, Sachin became a mainstay in the Indian cricket team, his performances consistently setting new benchmarks for excellence. His career was a tapestry of unforgettable moments, from record-breaking centuries to pivotal match-winning innings, each contributing to his legendary status. Sachin's rise to cricketing royalty was not an overnight phenomenon. It was built on years of relentless hard work, unwavering focus, and a deep-seated passion for the game. His early years were characterized by a tireless pursuit of perfection, with countless hours spent honing his skills and refining his technique. This dedication paid off as he amassed an array of impressive records that reflected not just his natural talent but also his commitment to pushing the boundaries of what was possible. His journey was more than just a series of achievements, it was a testament to the power of perseverance and the impact of a singular vision. Sachin's influence extended beyond his individual accomplishments, inspiring a generation of cricketers and captivating fans around the world. His legacy, marked by his extraordinary skill and dedication, remains a shining example of what can be achieved through passion and relentless pursuit of one's dreams. Sachin married Anjali Mehta on 24 May 1995, in a ceremony that combined tradition with the charm of their personal connection. Anjali, a well-respected pediatrician, was introduced to Sachin during a phase when his cricket career was taking off. Their meeting blossomed into a deep relationship, and Anjali's supportive presence has been a cornerstone of Sachin's life and career. Despite the intense media scrutiny that often accompanies high-profile figures, Anjali has largely maintained a private and supportive role, attending cricket matches and events to cheer on her husband. Together, Sachin and Anjali have built a family that is both close-knit and grounded. They have two children, a daughter named Sara Tendulkar, born on 12 October 1997, and a son named Arjun Tendulkar, born on 24 September 1999. Sarah has pursued a career in medicine, reflecting her mother's professional background, and is known for her involvement in charitable endeavors. Arjun, following in his father's footsteps, has embarked on his own cricketing journey. He has played for various domestic teams and has been part of the Mumbai Indians in the Indian Premier League (IPL), making a name for himself in the sport. The Tendulkar family is known for their desire to keep their personal lives relatively private, despite the immense public interest. Sachin and Anjali have consistently prioritized their children's education and well-being, allowing them to grow up away from the intense spotlight that accompanies their father's fame. The family's support for each other, combined with their commitment to their individual paths, underscores the strong, enduring bond they share. In 1999, Sachin reached a significant milestone, his first double century in Test cricket against New Zealand. This was just one of many records he would go on to break. His prowess was not confined to Test matches alone. Sachin's dominance in one-day internationals was equally remarkable. The 2003 Cricket World Cup was a defining moment in Sachin's career. He was the tournament's highest run scorer, amassing an incredible 673 runs. His remarkable performances helped India make it to the final, further cementing his status as one of the greatest batsmen of all time. 24th February 2010, an iconic day in cricketing history. Sachin Tendulkar became the first player to score a double century in ODIs against South Africa. This achievement was a testament to his skill, endurance, and dedication to the game. The 2011 Cricket World Cup was a defining moment for Sachin Tendulkar as it marked a triumphant end to his World Cup journey. Hosted by India, Sri Lanka, and Bangladesh, the tournament was significant for Sachin as it was the first time India was co-hosting since their 1983 World Cup win. Sachin played a crucial role throughout the tournament, amassing 482 runs and finishing as the second highest run scorer behind Sri Lanka's Kumar Sangakkara. His standout performances included a pivotal 120 against England and an innings of 111 against South Africa. In the final against Sri Lanka on 2 April 2011, at the Wankhede Stadium in Mumbai, Sachin scored 98 runs, setting up India's successful chase of 277 runs. His contribution was key in securing India's victory and lifting the World Cup trophy. The 2011 World Cup was not just a personal triumph for Sachin but a fitting culmination of his World Cup career, fulfilling a long-held dream and celebrating his remarkable contributions to cricket. On 23 December 2012, Sachin Tendulkar announced his retirement from Test cricket. His farewell was a poignant moment for fans and players alike. Sachin's departure from the Test arena marked the end of an era, but his legacy continued to shine brightly. Sachin retired from ODIs on 23 December 2012 and from T20 internationals earlier in 2007. His departure from the game he so dearly loved was a moment of reflection and celebration of a career that had inspired millions. Off the field, Sachin has continued to make a difference through his philanthropic efforts. The Sachin Tendulkar Foundation, established by him, focuses on education, healthcare, and sports development, reflecting his commitment to giving back to society. Sachin's contributions to cricket and society have been recognized through numerous awards, including the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian honor, awarded to him in 2014. His legacy extends beyond the boundaries of the cricket field, influencing generations of cricketers and sports enthusiasts. Sachin's story is one of passion, perseverance, and unparalleled greatness. From a young boy with a dream to a global icon, Sachin's journey is a testament to the power of dedication and the spirit of cricket. His legacy is etched in the annals of history, and his impact continues to inspire countless individuals around the world. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the remarkable life of Sachin Tendulkar. His story is not just about cricket, it's about the pursuit of excellence, the power of dreams, and the enduring spirit of a legend. Subscribe and like for more stories of legendary figures. Hey everyone! If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon so you never miss an update. Your support means the world to us. Thanks for watching.